Charging port repair on JBL Charge 4 Bluetooth speaker. Thank you to Sir J for trusting PTTIT solution. This is a unique service we had on our shop. Usually we repair desktop computers, laptops, mini PCs, or wireless controllers. This time someone requested to repair a charging port, but it's for a Bluetooth speaker. We humbly accept the service and proceed the repair. The JBL Charge 4 Bluetooth speaker is widely regarded as a good unit known for its solid performance, durability, and impressive features. It delivers powerful, clear, and well-balanced sound with deep bass thanks to its full-range driver and passive radiators. This makes it suitable for various music genres, providing an immersive audio experience. The build quality and durability of the Charge 4 are notable, with a rugged design that can withstand outdoor use. Its IPX7 waterproof rating ensures that it can be submerged in water up to 1 m deep for 30 minutes. Making it perfect for poolside parties, beach outings, or use in rainy weather. Repairing the charging port of your JBL Charge 4 Bluetooth speaker at a professional gadget repair shop is a good investment. It is a cost-effective solution compared to replacing the entire speaker and extends the lifespan of your device, allowing you to continue enjoying its high-quality sound and features. Professional repair services ensure the job is done correctly and often come with warranties, providing additional peace of mind. Moreover, opting for a repair is environmentally friendly, reducing electronic waste and the demand for new resources. This repair service restores your speaker's full functionality and retains its value, making it a smart and sustainable choice to prevent a defective charging port on your JBL Charge 4 speaker. Always handle the charging cable gently. Use the original charger, keep the port clean and dry. Avoid cable strain, and store the speaker in a cool, dust-free environment. Charging port repair is done. Visit our shop to avail our service. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.